When business is booming, you need a team approach to managing your accounts so you can be more productive. You want to put the right info in the right hands while controlling access to sensitive data. With custom roles and user permissions, your team can grow with you. QuickBooks Online Advanced offers up to 25 users, the most of any QuickBooks Online plan, all included in the price of your subscription. With custom roles, you can efficiently manage user access to sensitive data by allowing multiple users to have the same level of access for key business functions. Add seats for your financial controllers, sales team, office manager, and more, all while protecting your sensitive data. Create custom roles to suit your business that you can use over time. Then easily add new users in with the same level of access or customized by individual. Now your teams have the right access. For example, sales teams can have access to estimates, invoices, and how much customers have paid to help them succeed. QuickBooks Online Advanced, with deeper insights, more capacity, and better support, so you can grow your business smarter.